These are some of the books that I procrastinated reading the most, and I regret it now because I really love reading them. The first one is Stand by Stephen King. I think I bought this book in COVID times and I read it last year in 2024. So it was sitting on my shelf for 4 years. And I think one of the reasons for that is that it is pretty thick as book that I was scared of reading. But this is a book that sparked my true love for Stephen King. I had read some books by him before as well, but I think this is the book that sealed the deal for me. This is a post apocalyptic book which has themes of supernatural, and the way the story was developed and the characters were developed, I absolutely loved it. Second book is Flowers for Algernon. Now, I think this book was sitting on my shelf for more than a year, and the reason that I was not reading it because I had heard that the story was really devastating and heartbreaking, and I was, I think, not in the right mood to read such a book. But I regret that now because I just read it last month, and oh my god, I think it is one of the best science fiction I've ever read. It is really devastating, and its ending might bring you to tears. It basically asks the question, what is the value of a human being without their intelligence? Next book is Emily Wilde's Encyclopedia of Fairies. I don't read much of cozy and cutesy fantasy romance novels, but I think I was waiting for the right time where I didn't want to read anything heavy to pick up this book. I think it is one of the best cozy fiction that I've read. And while it has fantasy elements, but it is really grounded in reality, and the characters are really real. And I really like the female protagonist a lot. So if you are on a lookout for a light, engaging read with cute characters and elements, I think you should pick this. The next book is Babel. Now, after reading Yellowface and not finding it as good as I expected, I refrained from like reading this book, and because it was part of a book club read, that made me pick this book. And I regret that I did not read it earlier because I thought it is one of those books which is really hyped up, and I didn't think that I really like it. But no, I love the information that the author has given. I love the references to history, the references to ancient languages, the colonial period that has been covered. I really like the spirit and seriousness of the protagonist, and just overall the theme and vibe of this book. So yeah, I regret not picking this up. So the last book is Lifting the Veil by Ismat Chugtai. I think this was also sitting on my shelf for more than a year before I picked this up. This was one of the first forays for me into serious Indian literature. This is a collection of short stories that highlight the plight of Indian women around the time of independence. I especially love the writing and the powerful stories that this book highlights. The author has written in a really bold and open manner. And I think this book was really forward and open for the times when it was written. If you want to read serious Indian literature, then I think you should read this book. Do you have any books that you felt like you should have read earlier? Do let me know in the comments.